Hey, how's it going?
Not bad. How are you?
Good. You don't have any weapons on you?
No.
122nd lane, large truck. Talk to you for a minute.
I'd rather not.
All right, come over here and talk to me.
Am I being detained?
Yeah, we're trying to figure out what's going on. We got a call and you match the description.
What do you mean? Come on, man. Let's not do this. Hey, please.
Stop.
Get over here. Can we stop? Over here. Oh, please.
Hey,
Please, stop.
get over here.
Can we stop?
Get over here.
Oh, please.
Get over here. Don't do it.
Please, please.
Don't do it.
Oh.
I hear yelling.
He's got a gun. He's running past me. Put your hands up now! Put your hands up! Put your hands up! Put your hands up! Stop! 12218. He's going in the backyard. Put your hands up! Hands up now! Drop the gun! Drop the gun! Drop the gun! Drop the gun now! Drop the gun! 213, subject's down. He still has a gun in his hands. 998! Drop the gun! 213, subject's down. He still has a gun.
Show me your hands.